Today we're making an oat milk mocha smoothie. Come on in, welcome to my house. Today is really cool. We are going to use our oat milk. Yes, oat milk. Now if you want to learn how to make oat milk, just click that eye in the sky. It'll take you to the day where I make oat milk. Oat milk is a really good substitute for milk. I mean, it just works really well. Love the taste of it, and it's smooth and creamy, and this is such a great recipe. It is amazing. Now I'm going to take 1 cup of ice cubes, 2 cups of oat milk, and then approximately 1/4 cup of mocha syrup. Now if you want to learn how to make your own mocha syrup, just click that eye in the sky. It'll take you to that day where we make mocha syrup, or you could use chocolate syrup, whatever kind of syrup you like. That was probably more than 1/4 cup, but you use as much as you want. Then we're going to blend this until it's smooth. Once that is blended until smooth, I have a cold glass here. I'm just going to pour my smoothie in there. Let's give this a taste. That is really good. I mean, that has the chocolate, it has the oat, you can sort of taste the oats, but it's mainly just the chocolate. Now what's interesting about this is, it's one of those just drinks that you can just have a great breakfast, a great snack. I do drink this every morning now. I have replaced my normal smoothie with this. Now I also add usually the peanut butter, the dehydrated peanut butter. You can see my dehydrated peanut butter mocha smoothie. If you click that eye in the sky, it'll take you to the day where I make that. But this is so good. I mean, so simple, so easy to make. It's one of those great summertime treats. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. I love hearing from you, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.